In this video, we want to show you the functionality of our new concept tool, Add Overlay to Image. This tool allows you to add graphical and text overlays to images so that you can be very flexible in the design of your frontend. It is very easy to apply this tool, so we want to demonstrate it to you now. Therefore, we already loaded the MVApp, and you see here in the image we have several barcodes. So what we want to do now, we want to extract the content of this barcode and want to present it to you in a nice frontend. Here on the left side you have our tool flow. At the beginning the image is red. Then down here we have the determine alignment with shade border tool. So this is performing an alignment on the edges of the label. Then down here we have a read barcode tool, and this is reading out this EAN13 barcode. So this is the third one. So now we want to add the overlay to image tool. You can find it here in our tool library under concept tools. You just take it and drop it. And in this tool you see we have some inputs. At the beginning, of course, you have one image as the input. Then you have region or contour or also text, so you can show some strings. And if you click on the plus, then you have additional input parameters that you can use. For example, we have the alignment data, but also different text modification parameters. As a result of this tool, we have the result image here. This will be overlaid with everything we put inside. Okay, so now let's connect the input parameters. From the read barcode tool, we take the contour and connect it. What's of course also necessary is the decoded data. And from the determine alignment tool, we will take the alignment data. Okay, now here in the tool you see here's the string with the decoded data. We can choose also another position. I like it here next to the barcode. And here we can change, for example, the color. Let's change it to a nice green. And maybe some of you say the contour is not thick enough. You can also increase that, so you can see where it is. Okay, I like this front end. So here, this will now be saved as result image. We will open now the Frontend Designer and use this image. Here, click on the image, and now I have to add the connector tool. And here's connected parameter. I have to choose the result image. Okay, now let's launch the front end. Here you see the result. The result is quite nice, and you also see how easy it is to adjust the overlay to image tool. If you want to do it by yourself, maybe you should have a look in the standard example. There's one for you. It's called Create Image with Overlays. So here on the left side we are doing the same as we showed you already, and on the right side we extracted the other barcodes. And here down here is another Add Overlay to Image tool, and these tools are shown in the Frontend Designer. So let's open the front end. This is the result. It looks really nice.